Hi, beautiful. Welcome to day 6 of December daily uploads. And today's shout out goes to Peggy Tobias Zambia. Thank you so much, dear, for commenting on my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. Let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to section my hair from one side of the ear to the other side of the ear, and then the hair at the back, I'm going to tie it with a scrunchie. After sectioning my hair, I'm going to apply gel to make sure that my lines are clean, guys. Yeah, so apply gel, make sure your lines are clean, and then I'm going to braid the hair that I tied at the back so that it can be protected underneath, and then I'm just going to wrap it around and tie with my scrunchie. And this is the U-part wig that I made myself. The tutorial for this wig is going to be linked in the description, just in case you haven't watched it yet, guys. I made this myself using a synthetic hair bundles. Yeah, so I'm going to link that so that you can check it out, guys. This wig is so versatile. I also used it for another style. I'm going to put a picture right here on the screen so that you can see how versatile it is, guys. So right there, I just opened my middle part. I'm going to start by doing my middle part right here, apply gel, and then make sure my line is clean. And then I'm going to section a smaller part right here. I'm going to do 3 boxes on this side and then 3 on the other side. Yeah, so section your hair, apply gel to make sure that your lines are clean. And then I'm using this braiding gel. It's from Isoplus. I'm going to be applying it on my hair to slick it down. So apply, section your hair, smaller portions of hair, and then slick it down, smaller portions, and slick it down. This way your gel will be evenly distributed and your hair will look really flat, especially if your hair is natural. Mine is relaxed, but I had growth right here, so that's why I did this. Yeah, so after doing this, I'm going to be using a rubber band to tie my hair. Yeah, so just make sure that everything is sleek and laid. Use your comb, press it down, and then take your rubber band, and then you're just going to tie your hair. After tying my hair, I separated my hair into 2 sections, and then I gave it a tag to make sure that it is tight, but not too much, guys. Just tag a little bit right there. That's enough. Don't do it too much. So I continued doing the same thing that I did on the first box. Just apply my gel, and then I tied with a rubber band, and then I gave my hair a little tag to make sure that everything is laying flat and secured. So after this, I repeated the same process on the other side. Yeah, just tag and then repeat this. That is how I did the boxes right here at the front, guys. This is so simple and quick, guys. Yeah, so after this, I'm now going to be tying my hair with a strip to make sure that everything is flat and laid. Yeah, so I'm going to be using braiding hair right here at the front, and then I'm going to pass my crochet through, and then I'm going to crochet a piece of braiding hair. So this braiding hair is the length is equal, like when you cut expression braiding hair into 2. Yeah, this is the same length with this one. I did use a different braiding hair, but just a reference, everyone is used to expression braiding hair. So if you are using expression braiding hair, cut enough, and then that is how you can get the same length that I got right here. So I'm going to crochet another piece. I did 2 pieces right here so that it can pass through the rubber band easily. If I just went with one, it was not gonna pass through because the portion was bigger. Yeah, so right here I'm just going to twist my hair, twist, and when it's tight, I'm just going to be flipping and bending it so that it can create those folds. Yeah, so I just continue to do the same thing, twist, and then push my hair to the back, twist, push my hair to the back. Yeah, so that it can fold and create those knots, guys. This hairstyle is so simple, beautiful, and quick to do, guys. So after doing that, I just secured with bobby pins. I secured with bobby pins as I go so that everything will be in place, guys. Make sure you're using your bobby pins as you go. Use as many as you see fit. Yeah, so right there, I'm just going to take the section of braiding hair on the other side, half of the braiding hair on the second section, and then I'm just going to join with the first section, and then I'm going to continue to twist and pushing my braiding hair downwards, twist and push it downwards, and use bobby pins to secure. And after doing this portion, just take this, connect the ends of this portion that you're twisting with the second one, and continue twisting and using your bobby pins, twist and using your bobby pins, and that way it will be secured, guys. This hairstyle is so simple. Yeah, guys, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. Subscribe and join the family. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. And if you have been here since day one of December daily uploads, thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Yeah, so right here I just continue to pin my hair right there. And before you join to the other section, make sure you leave a long enough piece for you to join with the other piece so that your knot can be secure, guys. Yeah, so I just continue doing the same thing, guys. As you can see right there, this is really quick hairstyle that you can do. Anyone can do this, guys. Anyone can do this at home. It's so simple. And like I said before, the tutorial for the U-part wig is going to be linked in the comment section. It's so simple to do, guys. And as you've seen, the weft of the wig is not showing because I did a trick that I did to cover it. So make sure you see that tutorial so that you can make your own, and when you do this hairstyle you can do it with your own U-part wig, V-part wig. Yeah, so just continue doing the same thing. Twist, twist, twist and secure with bobby pins. Twist, twist, twist and secure with bobby pins. Yeah, guys, this is how I achieved this beautiful style, guys. Yeah, so after doing this, guys, I'm going to be sharpening my lines using concealer. Yeah, so that they can be very visible. And all the requested tutorial for this December series, guys, they are coming. Don't worry, they are coming, guys. Every tutorial that is requested, they are coming. I'm working on it, and like I said before, this is daily uploads, December daily uploads. So obviously they'll come. Like, we're going to be doing this until I think 25th or 21st. I will see, but for now I think it's going to be daily up until 31st. Yeah, so hopefully we'll do that, hopefully, so that everyone's request will be done. So right there I just continue to secure with more bobby pins so that okay, my knots can be like super tight and laid, guys. As you can see, everything is laid. I didn't use a sewing needle or anything of that, just bobby pins, but everything is secured in place and is staying like flat. Everything is looking cute. Yeah, so continue doing the same thing. And for the remaining piece of the knot right there, the remaining piece of braiding hair in your hair, you are just going to pin it at the back, going to the back, and it will be covered by the hair of the V-part wig right there. And right here I'm using concealer to sharpen my lines so that they can look clean and clear. Yeah, guys, after sharpening them, just use your fingers to blend the concealer with your skin, guys. And this is how I did this beautiful knot hairstyle, guys. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. And the makeup tutorial is coming next, guys, so make sure you subscribe and join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for day 7. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video, guys. Share the playlist for December daily uploads. It's going to be in the description. Just in case you missed any videos, they are going to be there. Goodbye.